The PRN file type is literally the raw instructions your computer sends to a printer. You can't open it in Word, but you can use a command line trick to force your printer to print it. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll show you the command. Heads up on the final step. We will reveal why investing in one exceptional PRN file inspection utility is the best long-term solution for managing countless file formats. We can trace the origins of the PRN extension back to the document file specification. The file's organization is managed by the HP PCL Printer Output system. The PRN file is a generic print-ready file that contains the raw, formatted output intended for a printer. It functions as a complete static snapshot of a document, including all necessary printer control codes and layout instructions. Developed by various printer drivers like ACD Systems Canvas X, the format's design is highly device-specific. It is structured to be sent directly to a printer. Attempting to open a PRN file in a word processor or viewer is discouraged, as it will reveal unreadable printer control language instead of the actual document content. For managing PRN files, the best dedicated software is Canvas X from ACD Systems. The file's minimalist design confuses most native Windows file handlers. Windows supports basic document viewing, but full editing must occur in appropriate software. Your key starting action: right-click the PRN file and select Open With. If Canvas X is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. Continue testing until the PRN file opens successfully. If your PRN file isn't cooperating, don't worry. The source is most likely one of 3 common issues. Let's review this simple breakdown of the culprits and how to quickly check them. First, recognize the file type. Understand that a PRN file is an exact copy of the data sent to a printer. It is not meant to be opened by a standard application. Next, use a viewer, editor. Open the file using Notepad or a PostScript viewer like GSView, if created with a PostScript printer driver, to view the raw data. Finally, redirect to printer. To print the file, use the command prompt command. Copy file name .prn, blpt1, replacing lpt1 with the actual printer port. If the application test is a complete failure and the PRN file is blocked by a severe barrier, we should use the software built specifically to dismantle that barrier. It's your best option. When you frequently encounter difficult files, FileMagick is a must-have. Its strong point is the instant preview of content, bypassing common corruption and extension errors in any PRN file. Download now at filemagick.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way. The quick fix wins every time.